guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jendely Lane. Today I'm going to show you how to organize your YouTube channel. So let's get into it. Okay, so what you do is you go to your channel page and you will see this option. Click on Customize Channel. Okay, and if you don't have any videos up here, this area will be empty. So what you do is you come to this little icon right here. You click on that. Okay, do not hit delete, hit edit, and your recent videos that you uploaded are going to be on here, and you can pick one. I have just changed this to this, and it won't let me pick another one. But what you do is you click on the video you want to select, come over here and hit save. If you don't hit save, nothing's going to happen. So I hit save, and it brought my newest video up here. But what happens is, like I said, it affects what people see when they come down here. So you go on to your video list, and people see that. And remember, I didn't want this live stream to be the first video people see. I wanted my recent video to be the first video people see. So let's see if, and you can do this with every new videos. And what I notice is I think it takes about 24 hours or a day or 3 days for you to be able to change again. Or I don't know how long it takes, but YouTube would not let me change right after I have changed another video. But you can come on here and keep changing, keep replacing the newest videos, and it will organize it in row like you want them to look. Okay, yeah, you keep doing this, and the more you keep changing the videos that you post on your homepage, the more it pushes the videos that you don't want to see back. Organize your videos in playlist format, because then when people come on here, they get to watch what you want them to watch. Like I have recently posted live streams. Okay, so after you have done this organization, let's say you don't like my format, you don't like this horizontal plane, you want to switch it around. You go back here, hit customize channel. Okay, you can switch it. You can switch what people see by clicking on the date added. You can switch from, you can choose your most popular video. Let's do that so you can see. And it brings up my most popular videos up to this date. But the thing I don't like about this is my oldest videos. I don't want my oldest videos to be up here. So I go back to customize channel, switch that most popular, hit that little down arrow, and I want to do the newest. So I click on newest, and it switches it to my newest uploads, because that's what I want people to see. All right, and if you want to change from this plane to another plane, you hit that customize button again, and then you go to grid right next to the date added. Go to that grid, click on that button, and click on list, and it changes it to a list. This is what it does. I don't mind this look, actually. I might keep it on this for a little bit just for today, but usually I always change it to grid by going to customize, clicking on list, and it gives you the answer for the option for grid right there, and you click that and it changes this. But I'm gonna leave it in this format for a little bit because I haven't had it in this format for a long time. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you want to know how I did this too as well, banners or whatever it's called, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.